Review Hub. Brand name, FMS. Model number, Almighty Terminator. Power, 80 kilometers per hour. State of assembly, ready to go. Wheelbase, 251 millimeters. Remote distance, 150 to 350 meters. Is batteries included? Yes. Scale, 110. Dimensions, 410 by 288 by 172 millimeters. Control channels, 6 channels. Controller mode, Mode 2. Features, remote control. Design, dirt bike. Charging voltage, 2S, 3S, 2200 milliamps. Remote control, yes. Material, metal, plastic, carbon fiber. Recommend age, 14 plus. Is electric, lithium battery. High concern chemical, none. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Type, car. Package includes original box, remote controller.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.